Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the iTel Smartwatch Fit O20. On our previous video, we check on the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring, and we compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. So we have here our device. On this video, we are going to check again the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen monitoring, and of course we'll compare it with the latest fitness tracker from Huawei, the Huawei Band 10. If we do have the time, we'll compare it also with our Xiaomi fitness tracker here. If you are interested to see the results or the comparison review of the heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen, watch this video. And again, if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe now, like and share. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to wear the smartwatch properly. Before I do that, please take note that the heart rate monitoring will not continue to check your heart rate if you are not wearing the fitness tracker or the smartwatch properly. So we really have to wear it properly to be able to check the heart rate. Okay, so I will wear the smartwatch as well as the Huawei Band 10, and let's see the results. Okay, we'll check our heart rate simultaneously. Okay, so let's start. Now that we are wearing the fitness tracker Huawei Band 10 and the Fit O20, let's have a simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate. Okay, so let's check the heart rate here. Heart rate, and let's see. So we have 77 beats per minute. Let's check for our Fit O20. We have 79, 84, we have 83 and 83, the same as you can see here. 84, let's see, they're almost the same when it comes to the results here. 85 and 84, just 1 point difference. Again, 80, let's wait here. Our Huawei Band 10 here is a continuous heart rate monitoring. Heart rate, we have 82, 84, 83, 79, 77 and 83 here. 79, 77, click to measure again. Let's have another one. 79 and 80. Let's see here. 79, 86, it's now adjusting. 85, 79, 84, 80, 79. Okay, 82 and 80. Okay, as you can see here, they almost have the same results for the heart rate monitoring. We do have the maximum here, the minimum, and we have the graph. Okay, very good so far for our Fit O20. Okay, next, let's check the blood oxygen monitoring. We have the SpO2 here. Let's see, 98%. Okay, 96%, 98%. I think just a minor difference when it comes to the results here. 98, 99%, 98, 96, 99% and 98, the same as you can see here. We have 96, 97, and that's it, 97, and we have 98. Okay, so we have a very positive results for our Smartwatch Fit O20 when it comes to heart rate monitoring as well as blood oxygen monitoring if we compare it with the HUAWEI Band 10. We found the HUAWEI Band 10's heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring is somewhat accurate if you compare it with the medical device and other high-end fitness trackers. So that's it for our comparison or simultaneous monitoring of the heart rate monitoring of the Smartwatch Fit O20 by iTel, comparing it with the HUAWEI Band 10. Maybe on our next video, if we do have the time, we'll compare our heart rate monitoring, the Fit O20 heart rate monitoring, and we'll compare it with a Xiaomi Smart Band 9. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.